Sound healing is trending worldwide. From crystal sounds to sound baths, the world is embracing the vibration of wellness. But do you know this isn't new? In ancient Sanatan Dharma, ringing the temple bell called ghanta was a sacred ritual. And these bells, made from 5 to 7 metal, produce vibration believed to cleanse the mind and environment, promoting healing and focus. The sound align with the frequency of Om, creating a calming effect that prepares the devotee for spiritual connection. Today's sound healing mirrors the ancient wisdom using vibrations to restore balance and well-being. From ancient temple bells to today's sound bath, the healing power of sound connecting us to the divine.